In this quick guide, I'll show you how to buy crypto with Robinhood in Android. Begin by opening the Robinhood app on your Android device. Tap the menu icon at the top right. Then select Transfers, then Transfer to Robinhood. Choose the bank from which you to transfer funds and enter the transfer amount and review, and then tap on Submit. Next, you need to make a market order. Tap the search icon to find the crypto you want to buy. Tap Buy and select Market Order. Enter the amount in USD you wish to spend and review and swipe up to submit. And next, you need to make a limit order. Tap the search icon to find the crypto and tap Trade. Then select Limit Order. Enter your desired limit price. And after that, continue, enter the amount in USD, review it, and swipe up to confirm and submit your transaction. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.